What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please do check out other videos, and if you like what we're doing then hit that subscribe button.
Right, so it's Sunday night, we're back down the garage working on the Datsun. Today we are going to be fitting these to the intercooler. They've turned up finally, but as you can see from the size of them, intercooler, we're going to have to chop them, fabricate a bit, and then get them fitted. So that's what we're going to do today.
Let's get to it. Right, so we just made up these two little tabs either side because the intercooler was just resting on these before. Now it wasn't bolted in or anything, it was just secured with the pipes, so it'll probably still rest on them a little bit, and then them brackets sit about here, so we'll just drill a hole in that, put a riv nut in, and then we can bolt the intercooler in. Right, so intercooler brackets are welded on, and then all we've got to do is drill these two holes to riv nut size, and then we'll put a riv nut in it, and then intercooler will bolt in. We've also took the oil cooler off, that's in the bin. The lines are still here because we've got to take the alternator off to get the adapter plate off, but we're just going to drill them, riv nut them, bolt the intercooler in, and then we can crack on with them pipes. Riv nut tool. Now everyone needs one of these fuckers because they're handy as fuck. So we're using alley ones, you can use stainless ones and stuff like that, but we're just going to put an M5 riv nut in. As simple as. Ta-da, she's in. All that rust around it probably fucking wasted time.
Yeah.
So that's now intercooler bolted in, and then we can start making the boost pipes. We're probably going to chop these down a little bit, paint them up because they still look a little bit gash, don't they? Gash!
Yeah, gash.
So now the driver's side, boost pipes in, close fits, and comes out pretty nice on that side. The other side, because this hole is a little bit higher, the angle's steeper, we're probably going to have to order a 60-degree silicone joiner, whereas that one's a 45, but we just won't get away with a 45 on that one, which is a pain in the dick. So that's going to be it for this one. We didn't get too much done, but sometimes it's like that with project cars. We didn't have all the bits, so Liam's got to order a 60-degree silicone joiner for that side. Then we can get that backed up, get the front end back together, and then start to measure up for the rest of the boost pipes. Next up on episode wise, we shall be doing some maintenance on the RX-7, and also we'll be doing a smoke test on the cabin of a Noble M12. So make sure you subscribe so you can check that out. See you next time.
Perfect.